Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, open up settings, scroll all the way down to system, select reset, and then factory data reset, at which point you will have basically information on what the device will remove. So if you want to keep any of this stuff, maybe pictures, music, downloaded apps, anything like that, do back it up beforehand, otherwise, well, you will lose it permanently. Now, assuming you already made a backup or you simply don't want to, select reset, delete all, and this will begin the process. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.